Hey guys, what's going on? It's a Block Bull right back now, bringing you the latest episode to the channel. Now, in today's video, I'm going to demonstrate to you these cryptos that are all running on similar algorithms and how strongly correlated the market is. Okay, the markets are rigged, trust me, and I'm going to show that in today's video. Now, before I showcase how rigged these markets are, make sure to smash the like button. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already and follow me over on X. Now, we're going to start off with Trump coin. We're going to work through a number of different coins. So we're going to go with Trump coin. We're going to take a look at Melania as well. Highly correlated asset. And then we're going to take a look at a couple of other meme coins. We're also going to take a quick look at a privacy token as well. Also on the same algorithm. Now, this is Trump coin. Now, we all know what happened back on the 10th of October where we got this massive liquidation event there. That was the largest liquidation event in crypto's history. That wiped out $19 billion in the market. Okay, this wasn't just Trump coin. This was across the entire crypto landscape. 10th of October, and we actually produced a sort of valley, if you will. And then what happened is Trump basically broke out of resistance, retested, and then before you know it, that whole liquidation event, which is back up here, this was all wiped out with this gain here. Now, funnily enough, all of these markets move exactly the same, just at a later date. Now, once we see this breakout down here, where does the price go to? Well, the price wicks up there. Anybody just viewing this chart that hasn't got experience in the charts will be just thinking, you know what, it's gone up and it's come back down. Well, it's not just gone up, it's gone up to a specific level. Now, the specific level is the highs of October, yeah? So we're not looking back in September. This is October right here, October the 1st, and then October the 10th is a capitulation. So this wick goes straight to that high. Yeah, you can see there, I marked out the high prior to that crash. And look exactly what happens. Trump coin punctures the high of October and then it rolls over. Now, where does it roll over to? Again, it's not random where it rolls over to. It takes out September's law. Now, where's September's law? I'm just going to borrow this line here. September's law is here. Yeah. After that rejection, where does Trump go? Down here. It takes out September's law. Exactly the same thing is happening on Melania coin now over the last few days. Now, Donald Trump coin, the Trump coin is literally 2 weeks ahead of Melania. And this is exactly what has happened with Melania coin. If I just come down to the 4 hours, we've got the 10th of October liquidation. And then we created this nice little trend line here. We've broken out, and where did we go? We took out October high. October high being here. Does the price, once we break out from this valley, does the price take it out? We'll soon find out. Right there, if I nail it. Look at that. Absolutely perfect with these 4 hour closes. We whip through it, taken liquidation, and we've come down. Where does the price come down? To September law. The September law is here, this spike right here. Look where we're currently trading. So this is probably going to be the bottom of Melania before the next move. Let's take a look at ZK. ZK is one of the cryptos that are keeping pace with Trump. Again, liquidation event. Where are the highs for October? October through to 10th of October. The high in that period is up there. Again, once we break out from that valley, boom, we take out. Again, retracement down here. And where's it retracing to? September's law, which is right there. September law. We tagged that absolutely perfectly. Absolutely perfectly. Another example. This is Altcoin. This is the power of free. If those of you that don't or those of you that are unaware of the concept of power of three, it's basically a concept which was made infamous by ICT inside a trading circle, okay, or in a circle trading, should I say. So you've got this period after this liquidation spike, 10th of October, 19 billion wiped out. You've got the green box accumulation. We've got the fake out to the downside, which is manipulation. And then you've got the distribution now. So Fortcoin is going to go into distribution mode, which means it's going to absolutely print some numbers. And you've seen a classical breakout, retested the trend line before we do get that distribution. Now, we can quite easily predict, based on these algorithms, where Fortcoin is going to go. So we've got October here, October through to that crash there on the 10th of October. The high is here. So we're going to mark out the high. And this is exactly where Fortcoin is going to go now. Once we confirm that is a successful retest, which it will be. Because again, similarly to the other one I was just showing you, you've got the accumulation. You've got the manipulation down here. And next stop, we're going to see the distribution straight up to that high. Okay, so the likely event is Fortcoin is going to run up massively, over 150%. And then once we take out that October high, what's going to happen? Well, if you've been paying attention, we're going to take out that September low. So we'll see approximately 30% retracement. Okay, and that's the September low there. Pretty simple, guys. 150% gains, 30% dip. It's as simple as that. And this is happening across the board. It's not just with these 4 cryptocurrencies that I've shown you today. There's plenty of others. For example, like Giga. Yeah, we've got that liquidation event there. We come down with retesting the trend line. Now, Giga is a little bit behind. It's still in the manipulation phase here. Yeah, this is a manipulation phase. We've seen the accumulation sort of range. So this is going to be a humongous redistribution to get back up to these October highs. Okay. Again, I can show you another. For instance, Gala. There's so many of these cryptos. They're all on a similar algorithm. Again, we've got the October highs up here. Nice trend line, broke out, retested, and we're looking to get up to about 1 cent 6. Yeah. Chances are we fly up here, 62%. And then what we'll do is we'll correct. These are the September lows around here. So we'll be correcting around sort of 15, 16% for Gala. Okay, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Do what you got to do as always, and I shall see you guys in the next episode. Take it easy. The Block Bull is over and out.